Today we're going to show you how to create an automatic table of contents. I have a multi-page document, and I can see down here in the status bar that I have over 1,000 words and I have 4 pages in this document. My document contains some title headings that are easily readable. My document contains some headings that are in English, but you can see that the rest of the document contains words that are actually Latin, and that's used in desktop publishing so that we can focus on the format of the document and not be distracted by what the document actually says. So you may see some examples where you have a document that just contains this kind of nonsense text. What I'm going to do is, in order to create a table of contents, I can have that generated automatically by Word by actually creating headings in each of my paragraphs first. So I have the introduction. I'm going to select the title for introduction, and I can move to the styles group in the Home tab. And one of the ones that I can see right away is called heading 1. And I can, of course, click on the drop down list, and I can see that there are a number of other headings to choose from, or other styles. I'm going to choose heading 1, and it applies to that text. Now I'm going to scroll down and find some other headings in my document. Background, I don't actually even have to select it. I can just place my cursor beside the word, and the background is going to be heading 2. Team members is going to be heading 3. Human resources is heading 1. Payroll is also heading 1. And then under payment schedule, it's a heading 2. Vacation time is a heading 2. And I also have training and development, which is heading 1. And benefits, which is heading 1. Now, it really doesn't matter which headings I chose, but in this case, I wanted to show you what it looks like when I create a table of contents that has different headings and different indentations. Now that I have the document properly formatted, what I need to do is I need to place my cursor at the beginning of the document so I can tell Word where to insert my table of contents. So I place my cursor at the beginning of the document, and now that my document is properly laid out with proper headings, I can have it automatically generate this table of contents. I simply go to the References tab, and on the References tab there's a group called Table of Contents. And right here there's a single button that says Table of Contents, and I can choose the type or the format of content, of table of contents, and I'll just choose the top one, and I can see that automatically I get a table of contents that matches the name of each of the headings with the proper indentings for heading 1 and heading 2s and heading 3s, and I also have page numbering. When you're looking at the Word document, you'll notice that I clicked inside the table of contents. I can also use Control click to actually jump me straight to page 3. So I'm going to show you that. Page 3, there's vacation time, and now I can simply scroll back to the top of the page, and I'm done, and I'm very happy with my table of contents.